Home of Cool is an eco-friendly electronic cooler that increases beverage sales and lowers maintenance costs. Let's have a look at how it works. 80% of consumers prefer not to buy uncooled drinks. That's why the best way to increase spontaneous purchases is to place a refrigerator containing drinks right next to the checkout. However, traditional refrigerators are too bulky and noisy. Home of Cool coolers solve this problem. They're silent and as small and light as possible, so they fit easily next to the till. The cooler is filled from behind and cools items twice as fast as a refrigerator, and consumers always get the coldest can. If you need to launch a new promo campaign, a few seconds is all it takes to change the design of the exterior. Most importantly, our cooler increases sales by up to 80%. Home of Cool. Created for function, designed as an art form.